Wait, how do you heat or cool this house?
With a geothermal heat pump.
Fortunately, we have a very high groundwater level here. We have ceiling, wall, and floor heating, as well as cooling. With wall and ceiling, you can cool. Of course, there must also be ventilation with recuperation. It's mandatory. And blinds, shading for cooling. So basically, we have floor heating just so we don't step on the cold, because it's already enough. I can set my own temperature for each room, but I usually keep it at that temperature. The bedroom is cooler, and the bathroom is, of course, warmer. All these rooms have between 22 to 23 degrees, the same all year round. All I have to do is take my phone, open the Kronoterm app, and switch the cooling to heating.